The island of Sodor is home to the northwestern region of British Railways, the only independently operated region on the network. Despite this, one branch line has remained under the operation of the London Midland region since nationalisation. Until now. Here we see number 5 posing with his crew, preparing for the first northwestern operated service on the branch line in quite some time. As number 5 passes through Ballyhoo, we can see a glimpse of the future. A brand new Class 105 DNU is gifted to the northwestern region to operate the branch line's new timetable, laid out by Sir Topham Hatt himself. Two former Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway stalwarts meet as number 5 arrives at its destination. Number 50705 is about to depart with the last regular London Midland service. And stepping out of the director's coach is Sir Topham Hatt himself. Upsy daisy. Don't worry, this won't be the last time you'll see this image. The Barrow to Norramby British Railway service will survive, just on a reduced timetable. Ask us your local station for more information.